What's up? This is gonna be a video, like a remake of an older video, I should say, of how I manually do glitch effects on Clip Studio Paint. I know there's some softwares out there that will do it automatically, but I like to be hands-on with how I do things sometimes, so let's just get into it. I usually start with a flattened image or PNG or whatever, and I copy it and paste it 3 times, so you got 3 copies right over here, and then I put a layer above each of them. Then you would only need to do clipping mask if it's transparent. Since it's not transparent, I won't bother, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them all on multiply. Multiply for the bottom layer is not really necessary, I just do it out of habit, and I fill it with black paint tool on the bottom, and I just merge it down, because whatever. Then fill one with red, merge it down, fill the other with like a light blue, or cyan, if you will. It's gonna look really bad, and then merge that down. You're gonna wanna put it to screen. It's not showing it on the overlay, unfortunately, but there's a list here, right where I clicked normal, of all the different layer effects. So I click screen, and hey, it looks normal again. Then I click screen on the other one, just for consistency. Zoom in. Then wait, let me just deselect this. And I grab this tool, and I just move it a little bit. And you can see it does this little blurry chromatic aberration effect. You can really go all out with it. You can see how it duplicates and how the layers overlap if you go too far. I tend to just have it a little subtle, kind of like this. It depends what I'm in the mood for, how chaotic the image is. For headshots, I try to be pretty simple. And if you want to go straight for glitching squares and all that, just selection tool, and then just, you know, move it all over the place. Oop. You can really do as much or as little as you want. Have it be super eye strainy, have it be a little chiller. You can also switch whatever layer you're working on to, let's do this one like this, and do the other one like this, so we get some funky little, yep. Really, it's all up to how you want to do it and how much of an effect you want it to have. I generally am pretty subtle with it. I only do it a little bit because otherwise my eyes start to hurt, but that should be pretty much it. It should work in a lot of other art programs pretty similarly, so long as you have the multiply layer tool and the screen layer tool. I'm sure there's a couple other kinds of layers you can use for this as well, but this is just my preferred method. I've been doing it for a long time. I started doing it on Paint Tool Sci, so yep. I hope someone found this to be of some use, and thank you for watching my video.